Watch me as I take my short curly pixie to this long juicy quick weave. I'm using CurlsQueen Water Kinky Curly, 2 bundles. Let's get into it. Okay, so you get this cute little mesh pouch, and then you get their detangling brush. They also give you this nice silk satin, well, not silk, but satin bonnet with an elastic band to protect your hair at night. You get their instructions with all of their handling and care and maintenance information in there, and these are the 2 bundles. So this is the 3B3C Water Kinky Curly Wefts. It's 14 inches and 300 grams. Now this hair straight out the box is super soft. It seems like it's going to really blend well with my hair, and these tracks are thick. Okay, I like a thick weft, so you get a lot of hair in these 2 bundles. All right, so because this hair is like a natural color, I am going to color it jet black so that it blends well with my natural hair. I love streamlined processes. I like things that are like quick and easy, and so I found this hair color that's like a shampoo in color. You don't have to do any mixing. You just pump the hair color on there and you are good to go. I'm going to link what I'm using, everything in this video, what I'm using in the description box below. So make sure you check the description box to get all of your products. Now, I washed it, I conditioned it, and just look how pretty this hair is. I'm using their detangling brush just to comb through to see how those curls pop back. And I can already tell that this is going to blend very well with my hair. Like if my hair was long, if my hair was 14 inches, this is what my hair would look like. Okay, y'all, so it has been a long time since I've done a quick weave on myself. Now, disclaimer, if your hair is not healthy, if your hair is breaking, if you have breakage, especially in your crown area and around where you're going to be laying the tracks, do not do a quick weave. My hair is very healthy right now, and I'm going to protect my hair by using some glue protectant before, and I do not like to put a stocking cap on top of my hair with the glue protectant, so I'm going to add my tracks right on top of this barrier. So my hair is parted in a V shape. I left my edges out, and because my hair is short, I'm just going to mold it all down with some gel, and then I'm going to use the glue protectant as a shield and barrier to keep my hair safe from breakage. Okay. Okay, so now it's time to lay these tracks down, okay? So I like to start in the back, and I want to make sure that I'm covering much of my taper in the back so that my hair is not lifting up. So I'm going to go right above my ear. I'm going to pull it kind of tight and pull it to the other side. But of course, I'm going to lay my glue down. Okay, y'all already know this does not have to be explained. But if you are new to quick weave, you're going to lay your glue down on your tracks, lay it down on one side. I like to pull my tracks kind of taut so that I can feel that security, okay? And so I'm going to lay it on the next side of my head. May take the blow dryer and kind of, you know, speed up that drying process. That's what we do. You want to spray your track, you can do that too. But I'm just going to continue to lay these tracks down from my ear to ear, and then we'll finish off at the top. Y'all, halfway through, I realized, you know what, this part is not going to work for my thin, short hair. So I did finish it off. I went back in and did some smaller tracks along that V-shaped part, like an invisible part, to cover it up, and then my hair actually blended. I did not do that on camera, but you'll see how well it blends in with the final look. All right, so now I'm just wetting down the curls. I want to activate these curls. I also want to see how well my hair blends without any product, just water, because that's key. So I'm just wetting it down, and it definitely works well with my hair texture. Now I'm adding my foam wrap to it just to see if, you know, it'll take well with blending and curling and finger detangling, and it did. And so I'm just going to take this section by section and let you watch me do the blending process. So I mixed conditioner and water in this bottle that I already had. I'm just going to shake it up and spray this on the curls. Conditioner and water works very well with curly hair bundles because it gives you that appearance that your hair still looks wet, but it's dry, because that conditioner kind of coats and weighs down the curls. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to also add my foam wrap and then detangle with my Denman brush or my detangling brush, whatever brush you have to detangle your curls and make your curls pop. And I'm going to do this section by section, and then we'll blend in my hair at the top. You can't tell me this is my hair. Don't you come to me talking about some that. No, this is mine. This is my hair. I grew it out of my scalp. Get into these curls. Can you see where my hair starts? Do you see? Can you tell? It's undetectable. This was the perfect blend. I put it in a little ponytail. Okay, get into the it's just juicy and beautiful. I hope you guys like this tutorial. Be sure to check out the description box with all of the information on how to get this hair and the products that I use. And of course, live life on purpose with purpose. Love you guys.